We have Dave Delaney coming to Long Beach, coming to the USM campus, and he actually presents on tools for your business.
So I know this event is featuring Mr. Dave Delaney. Tell us a little bit about who he is.
Yes, so Dave is a featured speaker for Google. He actually has his own company as well, but he does a really great job. He travels around the country giving these seminars, and being a featured Google speaker, it's a really big deal to be able to bring that to the Gulf Coast. This is something the Chamber is able to offer the community, and it's really exciting because he is very knowledgeable, and he always stays after to help people answer those questions that they may have about their business. Just getting your business on Google, that's so important. When people are searching you, you want to be seen on the internet. So that's something that's very important, and he does a really great job explaining that.
If you're just getting started, Google has so many great programs that are free that you can learn. They've got a new app called Primer, which is fantastic. So you can take little tests and learn all of these different skill sets so that you can use Google products and services for your business.
There were about 400 people who attended yesterday's Grow with Google workshop. Edmonton is one of 6 stops the tech company is making during its cross-country tour.
New at 6, the local Small Business Development Center hosted a seminar today focusing on Google. Grow with Google speaker Dave Delaney was the guest speaker for that event, explaining the local business owners how they can reach their customers online with the search engine. The event was held at the Ayers Auditorium at Jackson State Community College. Delaney focused on how you can optimize your business with Google's My Business profile and how using Google Ads can help promote your business. Delaney tells us why it's so important for business owners to use a Google profile.
And it's a perfect way of getting into Google search, getting your business, your local business on Google Maps as well, which is an important one. And this helps direct people.
Delaney says the Google My Business profiles also allow you to respond to reviews, adjust business hours, and promote events or new products.
It's a mini-me out of this world.